How to hide player info in T3 Arena. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech4Gamers. Today in this video we are gonna learn how you can easily hide your player info in the famous T3 Arena game using your Android or iOS device. So first of all, launch open T3 Arena app on your phone or tablet and wait until the home or your lobby screen fully loads. Once it does, go to the upper right corner and tap on the menu button. From the expanded menu, click on Options. Under Options, click Account from the left-hand menu at the bottom. Soon after you do that, this will open up the Account Info section, where you need to select Privacy Settings at the top right. Once you're inside Privacy Settings, go find the option where it says Allow others to see your player info. Once you see that option, go ahead and choose Off, and once you turn it off, get back to the home screen and start a quick match to confirm the player info is now hidden or minimized. So there you have it. That is how you can easily hide your player info in T3 Arena. Now your screen should be much cleaner and easier to focus on during gameplay. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back in the next episode. Thank you for watching.